Hi, I'm Miki Tebeka. Here at Ardern Labs, we value your time. So we created this series of short videos, each of them showing a cool feature of the Go language or one of the libraries. Enjoy! In this short, we're going to look at how to use function in regular expression substitutes. So let's say I have a template of a URL and I have the $host and the $port. And I have the configuration which says the host is Ardern Labs and the port is 443. So I'm creating a regular expression that says starts with the dollar and then either an uppercase letter or an underscore one or more times. And now here's the substitution function. It gets a match, which is the string, and then the key, we remove the first letter, which is the $sign from the match, and then look it inside the configuration. And now we can use replace all string func with the URL template. Let's run it. So start without debugging and have a look at the console, and we see that we get Ardern Labs and the port